The birds. Look at all those birds. Now's the time of the year where they come out at this time, all these little birds, and eat up all the gnats and the mosquitoes and stuff like that. And then the bats come out of that house when it just starts getting dark. Let me see. There'll be more in a few minutes. They just come out here and start eating up all the insects, which is awesome. And it's funny because the bats look so similar to these little birds. Oh. Where'd they go? It's like all of a sudden. Oh, there they all are. There's tons of them. They just go in swarms. They'll all be back over here after they go around everywhere.